Holy hell. The noise cancellation on these headphones is so brutal, it feels like Sony built a damn black hole for your ears. My old cheap-ass pair? Straight garbage. Squeaky bass, zero comfort, and noise canceling that was just marketing bullshit. These Sonys? They're about to drag your whole audio game into another fucking dimension. Watch this. What's good, legends? Welcome back to Uncensored Reviews, the no BS zone where weak-ass gadgets get roasted alive and only real monsters survive. And today, we're diving into the Sony WH-CH720N noise-canceling wireless headphones, the badass ear fortresses that silence the chaos and crank up the vibes. If you want raw, uncensored reviews that actually tell you what the fuck is worth your money, smash that like, hit sub, and yeah, the link's in the description if you're already ready to level up. Let's be real. My old headphones? Clunky bricks with premium stickers slapped on them, but they sounded like dollar store shit. The noise canceling might as well have been cotton balls in my ears. The WH-CH720N, they come strapped with dual noise sensor tech plus the integrated processor V1. Translation, when you flip the switch, the world fucking dies. Kids screaming, traffic roaring, Karen from accounting yapping about spreadsheets, dead silent. It's like Sony installed a personal mute button for reality. And when the music kicks in, holy fuck. Bass that doesn't just thump, it body slams your chest. Highs sharper than broken glass, mids smoother than melted butter on hot pancakes. Doesn't matter if you're vibing to lo-fi at 2 a.m., blasting hype tracks at the gym, or gaming like your KD ratio depends on it. Every note slaps harder than your ex's breakup text. Now, here's the kicker. You know some headphones feel like torture devices after an hour, clamping your skull like they're auditioning for a medieval museum? Not these. The WH-CH720N are lightweight as fuck, with an over-ear cloud-soft design that hugs your head without squeezing your brain out. Wear them for hours, hell, all day, and you won't feel like you're in a vice grip. Add the sleek, low-key look and they're not just comfortable, they're sexy as fuck. Of course, they've got the basics, but Sony makes sure they're done right. Bluetooth that actually connects without acting drunk. Built-in mic that's crisp as hell for calls, streams, or gaming trash talk. Alexa integration, so you can scream, "Turn off the lights," mid-session without moving a finger. That's future shit right there. And don't get it twisted, these aren't just music headphones. Creators, you lock in with zero distractions. Edit, write, grind, no outside bullshit dragging you down. Gamers, hear footsteps before enemies even load into the damn map. Your headset becomes wall hacks for your ears. Travelers, say goodbye to crying baby flight nightmares. Plane takes off, you hit play, chaos gone. Office warriors, Karen's loud-ass phone calls, muted like she never existed. It's not just sound, it's freedom from the world's noise pollution. If this makes your current setup look and sound like absolute shit, the fucking link's below. Tap it. Now, let's keep it 100. Are these the absolute top-tier $1,000 audiophile gasm headphones? Nah, they're not built to flex on headphone nerds who spend more on cables than rent. But for this price, they are a fucking steal. Balanced, powerful, reliable, and they make most budget cans look like weak-ass toys. Here's the deal. The Sony WH-CH720N isn't just gear. It's a fucking lifestyle upgrade. You're not just buying headphones. You're buying peace, focus, and the right to tell the noisy-ass world, "Not today, bitch." Greatness doesn't come from chaos. It comes when you carve your own damn bubble, shut out the distractions, and lock the fuck in. And these are the tools that get you there. So if this breakdown saved your ass from wasting money on weak-ass trash, smash that like, drop a filthy comment roasting your old gear, and sub so we can keep bullying shitty headphones together. And when you're ready to upgrade, hit the link in the description before these sell the fuck out.